Knitting Tutorials by Miarti. Cast on 45 stitches onto the needle to begin the slipper. The first row. Work 6 knit stitches, then work 31 stitches as a 1x1 ribbing, starting with a purl stitch. Row completion. Work until you get to the last 7 stitches, then work 6 knit stitches and a purl selvage stitch. The second row. Work exactly as in the first row. At the beginning and at the end, work 6 knit stitches. Ribbing section. Work 31 stitches with a 1x1 ribbing alternation across the center. Building the body. Work in the same way for 50 rows total, alternating the first row and the second row. The first row variation. Now work all stitches with a ribbing pattern, starting with a purl stitch. Sizing the sole. Further knit to the necessary length of your sole based on your foot size. Decrease sequence. Work 2 stitches together through the front loop with a knit stitch. Decrease sequence. Work 2 stitches together with purl stitches to reduce the remaining fabric width. Binding off. Cast off all the stitches from the needle to complete the knitted piece. Final assembly and sewing. Sew the toe and the sole together securely as demonstrated in the video.